Mae'r rhain yn atgofion o fywyd ymlaen a'i Gwent gan denantiaid yng Nghynllun Gofal Ychwanegol Llys Glyn Coed. Cafodd y ffilm ei chreu gan ddisgyblion o gymuned ddysgu Ebwy Fawr, a gyfwelodd y tenantiaid, recordiodd y straeon, a chydysododd y delweddau sy'n cyd-fynd â nhw. These are recollections of life in Blaenau Gwent, from tenants at Llys Glyn Coed Extra Care Scheme. The film was created by pupils from Ebwy Fawr Learning Community, who interviewed the tenants, recorded their stories, and assembled the images that accompany them.
I'm called Hazel. I'm from a place called Brynitha, in the area of Aptillery, right on top of a hill. Nice place to live. My mother used to give us some jam sandwiches, and 9 o'clock in the morning, she wouldn't see us till 5. We'd go up on the mountain and play, and from where our house was, there was some allotments, and we used to play in the field beyond that. So my mother had a good whistle on her, and if she wanted us, she'd whistle for us to come home. In this field where we were, they'd put swings and roundabouts and things like that. Yes, it was fun. Yes, I had a good childhood, very good childhood. My aunt next door, she had a dog. He was called Jip. He used to come in our house. I liked all lessons. Geography, history, English, maths. I left school when I was 14 because I had to go out to work because there were 4 of us in the family. And there was my oldest brother. He was in a technical college. My sister, she was in a secretarial college. And there wasn't the money there for me then. And my youngest brother, he was 6 years younger than me. My father was a railwayman. He had free tickets for 4 of us because we were under 15, and we used to go to Plymouth for a fortnight every year. My father was from Plymouth. We could all go free all the way down to Plymouth. Oh, it was lovely. There's a lighthouse. There was 2 lighthouses. The one was out, the one is still out in the sea. The one, they brought it back in from the sea because it was deteriorating, and they put it on land, and then they put a new one out in the sea. They had to have a lighthouse because there were rocks all around Plymouth to protect the ships coming in. Yeah, it was lovely. And because we were Welsh, we had this Welsh accent, we'd sit having this picnic, and then we'd find a lot of people would gather around us because they'd never heard the accent before. They were fascinated by the way we talked. We'd heard it, and my father had never lost his accent at all. And he came after the war in 1921, when he came here from Plymouth. He never went back, and he never lost his accent. He wasn't as Welsh as me. He never lost his accent at all.